brothers and sisters in Christ. I am here at the back of Father Simpliciano Academy. What a beautiful weather at this time. Look at the clouds here. Shout out sa mga taga Simplicians dito sa Father Simpliciano Academy. Hello Simplicians learners. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Father Simpliciano Academy.
Hi, Miss Ali.
Hi! Hello! Shout out sa mga Simplicians learners. Hello, Sister Joy. Good morning. You're too busy here in your garden. We have a lot of malunggay. How busy you are here. Sister Joy, how's your morning? Wow, nice, Sister Joy. Okay, thank you, sister. Thank you, brothers and sisters in Christ. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye, brothers and sisters in Christ. This is Father Simpliciano Academy building.